This is a very large storm.
Rough weather up in Gainesville, rough weather in Ocala.
Rapid intensification. This thing is going to power up quickly because the waters here in the Gulf of Mexico are exceptionally warm.
I'm Bill Gaston. You're at one of our facilities here in Gainesville, Florida, and what we do is recycle the urban forest. Part of what we do is emergency service contract work, and we're an asset manager that can go to an area that's been impacted by a big storm. Helene started around Fort Myers, maybe a little bit north of there, and all the way to Virginia. So the whole east side of the country is impacted. Cleaning up after a hurricane is basically we go out and we pick up sticks, improve them, put them in a bag or a bulk, and put it back out there for beneficial use. We'll come to your house, we'll cut your tree down, we'll bring it in here to our site, we'll turn that into a mulch, we'll put it in a bag, it's gonna end up in a big box store down the street and you're gonna go get your bag back. And so it completes the cycle. Color Biotics is our partner. They supply us not only the equipment in order to color mulch the industry is looking for, but it also helps us with the colorant and the technology, and they're our partner in putting something together so we can put it on a flatbed and send it out to different markets. We're fortunate, we feel, to be here and be able to help our local community and get everything back to normal as quickly as possible.